Oh, hi there. I'm just sitting around in Palermo, Italy, rethinking my life choices about this Flaviar Advent calendar that has yet to give me a scotch in this box. It is day 23. You think any of these bottles are going to be from Scotland? Or is this just one big prank? Who knows? Let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin, and I am a Scotch person that has been deprived of Scotch for 22 days. This is day 23. I'm really hoping I get just a dribble, just one bottle that may be from Scotland. Who knows? Yesterday seemed like it was going to be a Scotch, but it was an Irish-American blend of various grains and pot still and rye whiskey. Wow, really out of my ballpark, really out of the range of whiskeys that I would even know or guess. So I am in the realm of who knows what could happen today. This could be a blend of any number of countries. I've given up on trying to capture every single bottle. I think I've done pretty good in this whole thing. So let's see what today has to offer on the nose. Again, I'm getting more of the malted tire store notes. Similar to yesterday, so I know there's some malt in here, but I'm just scared now that none of these are going to be from Scotland, and I've wasted 5 or 6 guesses on Highland Scotch. I don't know at this point. Out of the 2 bottles that are left, I think this is the darker one. So now I'm scared that I should hold off guessing Highland Scotch till tomorrow. I know, I'm peeking ahead. It's 2 days. I mean, how can I not peek ahead? It's right over there. I think there's some finishing on this. There are some, I'm gonna get the normal caramel notes and some malted notes and a little bit of citrus, but there was some sweetness there that seemed like there was some wine finishing on this. Maybe some port sweetness, because it's not as in your face as sherry is. This is more subtle, but it does seem like there's a second casting of some sort. I'm not getting those sweet notes on the nose as much. It's more of that maltiness and that, like I said, tire store notes. So I really do feel like we're still somewhat close to Scotland. Can we be really close to Scotland? Like, I don't know, in Scotland? Probably gonna stick me in the Britain or something like that that's close, but not actually Scotland. Just a tease, total tease. All right, sorry. I'm just going for it. I'm gonna say this is a Scotch with some sort of wine finish, probably port. It's very subtle, very light, not intense at all, but I'm guessing Scotland again. I'm just gonna keep guessing Scotland for the next, I don't know, 2 days, because that's all I have today and tomorrow. Here we go. Looking at the bottle, I'm scared. It's from Scotland. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, it's been so long. It's been such a long journey. I'm so glad. It's been hard. You don't even know. I feel so vindicated I finally got Scotland. Man, it's been a long ride. Scotland, thank you. It took you 23 days, Flaviar. 23 days. See if I got the finishing notes right on this. Let me open the app, see where we are. Okay, where we are actually is day 23. Let me tap on that, answer all the questions, do the rating, all that stuff. Be back in a minute. I love this. This is actually one of my favorite whiskeys in Scotland. It's Compass Box Spice Tree. I really love this blend. I had a bottle, I think I stored the bottle of Spice Tree or I drank it. I don't remember. I don't have my studio anymore in San Francisco, so all my whiskey collection's been split up, given away, or set aside somewhere in a storage unit that I may or may never get back to. But this is a $64 blend, totally worth it. Compass Box makes great blends. They do a fantastic job of combining different types of whiskeys, and I highly recommend anything that they offer. If you're into Scotch and you haven't tried Compass Box yet, you really need to get there. So the tasting notes on this are spice, honey, caramel, vanilla, sweet oak, toasted, salty, nutmeg. Now at 46% ABV, it's a really nice sweet spot for all the flavors that are here, and what might be giving me some of those port notes that I was getting, the very subtle ones. This is a hybrid oak cask, and it's matured in American oak cask with heads made of French oak. So that's a very strange setup. I think they had to do something special to get that approved. I'm not sure. And this is considered a 2.0 version, which I'm very proud of, very happy with. And I'd love to hear your comments about this. Do you like Compass Box? Have you tried Compass Box? Do you like the Spice Tree? Let me know in the comments. I love them. I highly recommend Compass Box. Let me know if you're a Compass Box fan like I am. And day 23, you've made me happy. Thank you, Flaviar, for giving me some scotch. I don't know if I needed one that I drink all the time, but I'm really happy to have this little bottle of Spice Tree with me in Italy because I'm really not buying any big bottles of scotch. I have to travel in a couple days and we'll end up in January in Athens, Greece. So there's no way I can carry on scotch with me. I'll just have to find what I find in the country that I'm in. And until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you. And cheers. Blessed scotch. Thank you so much, Flaviar. You made me wait a long time though. But it was worth it. Spice Tree. Brilliant.